everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for the wonderful and overwhelming response that you've been sending and also the feedback and the requests. I'm happy to do your general readings. Also, thank you so much for the donations and the energy exchange that some of you have been sending. It makes me feel really happy to know that the readings are resonating with you. So I'm back with another pick a card reading for you all, and this is a general reading to let you know what blessings are coming your way. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1 with the Rider-Waite Tarot deck and the Tiger's Eye crystal on top. This is pile number 2 with the Mystic Monday Tarot deck and the Rose Quartz crystal on top. And this is pile number 3 with the Art of Tarot deck with the Black Tourmaline crystal on top. So please think about your situations and whatever is going on in your life while you're choosing the pile. This is to let you know what blessings are coming your way. So please be calm. You could also put your video on hold when you choose your pile. Whichever pile attracts you the most or is calling you, whichever pile you feel you can, tap into its energy, choose that pile. For some of you, if it gets difficult to choose the cards, you could also choose them through the crystals. So I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what blessings are coming for people who've chosen pile number 1. People who've chosen pile number 1, firstly, I see you moving in the right direction, but you are feeling a little overburdened. Maybe you're feeling very worked up. There's too much on your plate. There's too much hard work that you're putting in. It could be on any front, whether relationships, whether career, family, anything that's on your mind. The current situation is definitely the right one. You're moving in the right direction, but yes, it is definitely filled with a lot of hard work and a lot of pressure on you. So in the times to come, this hard work will definitely pay off. I see a control situation wherein things will be under control. It might take some time, but things will be under control. Also, if you've picked up this pile for knowing how the family situation, how your family life will be, for people who've chosen this file, this is definitely a beautiful time which is coming your way, whether it's finances, whether it's a perfect family life, everything. I see a feeling of satisfaction. I see a feeling of accomplishment. So like I'm saying, whatever hard work you are putting in at this time, and also for a lot of you, I'm seeing that you're a little burdened. Maybe you have extra responsibility of some other person also, so that's why you're feeling very burdened and very hard. You're putting too many efforts. So this effort will give you the results. You will reap the benefits of whatever you sow right now, and your fruits of labor will definitely be very positive, and you will be rewarded. So whatever stress, whatever is on your mind at the moment, just keep carrying on. You are set in the right direction. Very soon things just come under control, and like I said, there's a 360-degree change on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1, a very positive change. Maybe for a lot of you there is shifting on the cards. You might buy a new car, or you might buy a new house, or something of that sort which has been there on your mind and you are working for it. So the universe is definitely blessing you with what is just, what is right. There will be balance, and like I said, whatever this hard work you are doing at this point in time, it's definitely going to give you the best results possible. So keep wishing and keep going in the right direction, which you are already in. Just keep pushing yourself for more. People who've chosen this particular reading for relationships, or also if there is a weight, if you've been ignoring a few things, if you've been confused, and because you were confused, you're not able to decide on which path to choose or which decision to take. So you've just put things on hold. You've not really put your focus on those particular things. This is the time now. Your wait is over. You will be able to take the right decisions. You will be able to take the, like I said, the just decisions. What is right, what is best for you. The universe is blessing you with the power to decide and to remove this weight and take the best decision for you. 24 days for a lot of you to get new opportunities, clear the confusion, clear the clutter, move towards new beginnings, new hopes. Also, the universe is right now gifting you the power of intuition, belief, faith. So, for all of you who are confused, just tap into yourself, try to analyze everything, try and introspect. You yourself will be guided by your own intuition, which is the right thing for you, and you will be able to take your decisions. A feeling of, there's this energy that's going to gain momentum, a feeling of achieving, a fire element, which is, maybe lacking in some of you at this point in time because that stress or that extra burden that I can see. So that's definitely going to soon be weaning off. And like I said, a beautiful time for family ties and family accomplishments. People, again, I'm repeating, who are in relationships and you've changed your focus, or things you've not really been, you're confused. For people who maybe had some kind of an issue with their person, or some argument, some fight, maybe some kind of dishonesty, betrayal, anything which was not a very happy situation, now is the time. Things are getting resolved. All your stress is definitely getting a hair, it's just going. Your person is here to stay, and I see love blooming. I see a beautiful relationship forming. So either it's your old relationship which just gains the momentum and things just get back for you, or for people who are single, you might find your soulmate, you might find your partner, you might get into new relationships. But this is a time that the universe is telling you to put in your best efforts, tap into your intuition, make the right choices, clear the confusion, and make a wish. Whatever you wish at this point in time is coming true for people who've chosen pile number one. So it's a beautiful time that the universe is bestowing upon you and is blessing you with whatever you want. But yes, everything comes with a price. Your hard work will pay off. So just keep pushing yourself towards achieving more and more in any situation. Also, I'm again repeating, maybe people who've chosen this particular pile have gone through some kind of an argument, which was a very nasty one, something that's really, impacted you. It could be a fight, it could be an argument, it could be a confusion between people, relationships, some kind of a bitter feeling. So, all that is definitely clearing out now. Things are definitely getting better. Whether you stay in the relationship or you decide to move on is an individual choice, but whatever it is going to be the positive. The outcome is going to be very positive for you. And for most people, I definitely see the relationships blooming, and the love is in the air. For people who've chosen this particular pile, things are definitely coming under control, whether it's health, whether it's a general well-being feeling, any confusion, any clutter that's in your mind is definitely now easing off. And please do not try to dominate anybody, or people who are in the relationship, or even if you are in a workplace and you have people under you, please do not use domination. That would be rubbed the wrong way. It would just create stress. You need to do everything humbly, be compassionate towards others. There are definitely new beginnings on the cards. For people who've chosen this pile for family planning, starting a new family, yes, the universe is definitely, uh, blessing you with the opportunity to start your family and plan a family. So anything of those sorts that is on the mind for people who've chosen this pile, things are definitely planned for you by the universe. And only my guidance to people who are in some kind of an authoritative position, or are in a position wherein a lot of people are involved. You're not a single minded, like not, you're not dealing with, maybe it's career, maybe it's some project, and you're not dealing on it alone. Please make sure that you're on guard all the time. You don't take any decision without reading all the facts. Be very clear, be on guard, do all your spade work, and then take your call, take your decision. Whatever you do, you have to be very clear and very focused. I just, that's the only warning the cards are giving people who are involved with a lot of people. Whether people are working under you, don't dominate them, don't control them, but yes, be very focused, be very clear. Do not uh, you know express your internal, whether it's your financial situation or some kind of a plan that's on your mind, something that you've planned for ahead, anything on those sorts which actually doesn't really need to be shared with somebody, just be on guard. This is not the right time for you to share your ideas and you know circulate them among people or ask for their opinion. It is a time of celebration that's approaching most of the people who've chosen pile number one. So it could be in any form, because the universe is definitely blessing you with a wonderful time coming ahead. But please be careful. You have to work hard, which you are already. So just be on the same path. And for people who need some kind of help, again, on the financial front, women, if you are in need to, start saving or something, that's definitely on the cards. If you've been planning to do something financially, to start off something, this is the time. And maybe in the past you've had some kind of a struggle, or your expectations were not really fulfilled in the past, but this is a time of balance. So whatever you will, put in, the universe will give it back to you. This is the time the universe is definitely returning it to you, and things will start moving. I do see commitment on contentment of the on the cards for people who've chosen pile number one. And also like I said in the beginning, the sense of achieving, the spirit of enthusiasm will definitely come back, which right now is more like a burden. And I see victory on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile number one. Let's see what blessings the universe is sending to you in through the miracle cards. What are the angels telling you? Let's see for pile number one. So first of all, anything that's on your mind, or whatever your best efforts you're putting in, be true to yourself. Whatever hard work you're doing on any front, whether relationships, whether anything, be very true to yourself. And also let go of any kind of worries that are in your mind, or also about thinking what really the future has in store for you, or what will happen, about knowing what the don't be concerned about knowing what the future has in store for you, or what the unknown really has in store for you. Leave that to the universe. Be grateful for what all that you have. Try to find simplicity in the best things of, in the simple things of life. Be happy. Try to find happiness in the simple things. It's not always the materialistic things that will give you happiness. Even when you're working, be happy so that you get better results. Your intentions should be actually very happy. Also, the key essence to any relationship right now is honesty and clarity. So please, whatever you are, wherever you are in the relationship, like I said, there for a lot of you there might have been some kind of dishonesty, some kind of betrayal, maybe from your end, from your person's end. So make sure that all those things get cleared, which I can see. But communication at this point in time is the key to solving your problems at the relationship front, or at any front wherein a lot of people are involved. Also, I'll say that you need to be very vigilant, receptive, trusting, yet, like I'm again repeating, like I warned you in the beginning, be very sure of the people who are working around you in your workplace. For some of you, there might be some kind of deception, dishonesty, some kind of a betrayal at your workplace. So please make sure that whoever is your colleague, you can actually trust them. Be receptive. Take whatever they tell you, take their ideas, take their guidance, but also make sure that they can be trusted with whatever you're telling them. Otherwise, just hold back. Don't share too many things with your colleagues or somebody who's surrounding you. And your blessings are definitely here. That whatever I've said, they are the miracle cards are repeating. You will feel loved. So the people who are in relationships, your relationship is here to stay. Your person is here to stay. They are the right ones. Whatever misunderstandings or anything that's happened in the past will clear off. People who are not in relationships, the cards are confirming you shall meet your soulmate pretty soon. The card represents love and romance. And also for people who are in the creative section, will definitely benefit at this point in time. Your work will definitely be rewarded, or some kind of appreciation. I'm again repeating, people who want to start a family, this the miracle cards are also confirming that this is a beautiful time for you to do that. So whoever is trying, whoever is planning, you will definitely receive the news soon, and meet people. And also since the universe is giving you so much unasked for, and whatever you're doing, you will get the results. So please, you need to experience a sense of spiritual growth, which is very important. I have already said that before, that the universe is bestowing the power of intuition in you. So connect to yourself, connect to your inner wisdom, ask for guidance. Whatever you can achieve through your own intuition is the best advice given to you. So try and tap into your own inner, you know, higher self and get the answers. The more you connect, the more you will benefit. And also, just make sure that you are away from negative people. I have already said that, I'm repeating, stay away from negative people who speak ill or gossip about others, because this is the time that, because of other people, again at your workplace, the people who are surrounding you, make sure they can be trusted, because this is a time where unnecessarily, without any fault of yours, you might be, involved in some kind of a conspiracy or something for which you've not even done anything. So just by staying away from these people, you're just protecting yourself from any kind of negativity. So that was for you people who've chosen pile number 1. Also, my advice to people who've chosen this particular pile is to definitely try and give some donations in any forms. Any form, you could just feed the dogs, biscuits to the dogs, or something to the needy, since the nature is giving you so much. And unasked for, like I said, the wishes that you make today will definitely be fulfilled by the universe, because you are in that place wherein the universe is blessing you. So whatever hard work you're putting in, you will get the results. So please give out. This is a good time to give out donations and get the best from nature. Give it, since the nature is giving it to you, so you need to give it back to nature. So that was for people who've chosen pile number 1. Hope the reading was resonant with you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. What blessings the universe is sending out to you, people who've chosen pile number 2. People who've chosen this particular pile number 2, there is some dull phase going on at the moment, and a lot of stress, a lot of pent up emotions, which really are not being able to come out. You're not being able to release that negativity that's being uh, you know brooding inside you and building up inside you. Regarding, it could be because of anything. So yes, this is a little time of dullness, a little time wherein things might be a little slow for you, but the universe is definitely planning something better for you, and a new beginning on any front is definitely on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile. 28 days from now, for a lot of you, for things to get back to normal, and for you to have control, to be the master of your life, to be the magician of your life. So you will have everything set for you. You will know, this is what I want to do, this is the plan I have, this is my execution, and now I'm ready to start off with a clean new slate. Right now, you might be feeling that whatever efforts you're putting in, it's really not giving you any results. It's all going in vain. Even if for some of you, if you feel that you've had some kind of a small success, or you've achieved something, you really don't have the people around you to share this success with. So it's, this success is really in vain. It's not a beautiful feeling at the moment. Maybe in relationships, people have had a heartbreak, or some kind of a betrayal, some kind of a breakup, anything that has really left you very shaken up at this point in time. Again, 3.5 weeks for people who are in this situation, for you to come out and start life afresh. New opportunities, new avenues, coming your way. A feeling of perfection, a feeling of accomplishment in the next 3.5 weeks for people who are in this kind of a situation. 4 to 8 days for a lot of you for things coming under control. Like I just started in the beginning, things are out of control. Whatever you are planning is not happening the way you are really doing, the way you really want. Maybe for a lot of you, there is some kind of a dullness, stagnancy, things are not really moving. So for those people, 4 to 8 days, things are definitely getting back to starting at least the way you want them to. A feeling of victory, success is on the cards for people who've chosen this pile. And also that feeling which I just said, that whatever you're trying to achieve, it's not really coming in hand. And if even if you have really had some kind of success, you don't have anybody to share this success with. 24 days of from now, you will feel whatever your efforts have been, whatever you were trying, whatever you were wanting, is definitely, you've got it. Also, there is a lack of spiritual or divine intervention, I should say, in this particular reading for people who've chosen this pile. Maybe everything is not coming, like your efforts are there, everything is happening the way it should, but what is lacking is the spiritual aspect. You might have to just sit and rethink and meditate, ask the Almighty for answers and connect. And maybe for a lot of you, some kind of a regret or some kind of a sorry to the universe for not really giving out your time on that side. That balance is not there. Maybe you've just been involved in the social, materialistic, or the relationship, or whatever, that aspect of life, without really focusing on the spiritual side, and that's why all this has blocked you. So the universe is definitely blessing you with everything within the next few days or weeks for a lot of you, and the wait that is been there is just coming to an end. And again, I'm repeating, accomplishment and satisfaction are on the cards, whether family life, whether social, whether relationships. Like I said, new beginnings are on the cards. You need to just believe in the universe, you need to believe in the Almighty, have faith that something beautiful is there in store for you. And for that faith also to come, your connection is very important. So please meditate, please try to ask the universe, the higher self, the Almighty, where you've really gone wrong and what you can really do to just set this off. Try and connect your establish your connection to whoever you believe in. Praying is the key at this point in time, because everything else is set for you. It's just that divine intervention which is not really, which is missing. So once you start that, you can just be rest assured, you could leave everything to the Almighty, because you're putting in your efforts but things are not really working for you. So just believe in the universe that things will start working, and it will. Also, for a lot of you, maybe you're feeling that your expectations have not been fulfilled in the right manner. So I see that contentment is there on the cards within the next few days, within the next few weeks. For a lot of you, yes, contentment is definitely there. And anything, if the partnership, like I said, you faced a wrong relationship, you had some kind of a heartbreak, I definitely see better partnerships on the cards, whether with the same person, whether with a new person, but it is there. Any confusion, anything on your mind is definitely getting cleared within the next some time. But this is the time of stress and this is a time of stagnancy. So the best you could do is just connect to the Almighty, pray, wish, be thankful, and also be apologetic for not really forming this connection before and just being busy in your materialistic world. But this is just a small struggle that you're really facing. Things will be under control in no time. I see health issues getting better. I see peace, prosperity very soon for people who've chosen pile number 2. And I see you meeting your old friends, or maybe again relationships rebuilding very soon. You're getting that old job which you've really been wanting to get. Something that you've been waiting for is on the cards. An interview call for a lot of you who really have been wanting that to happen. People who have been wanting help on any front, especially financial help, that call from the bank or a loan, anything that gets passed for a lot of you. Things are just going to start moving in no time, but you just need to be aware of that, the fact that yes, there is an Almighty, there is this universe, there is something spiritual which is definitely lacking. So you need to tap that aspect in your life and see how the results come out for you. And I can see for a lot of you, you're feeling extremely exhausted. So you could have salt water, rock salt water baths for the next 10 days and remove this exhaustion, remove this negativity, a feeling of being very gloomy. And in no time you will see that the fighting spirit, the spirit to achieve, comes back in you and things just get moving. Again, I'm repeating, contentment is on the cards. Things will start happening on their own, and your efforts will start showing you results. People who've chosen this pile, this is you will automatically by the universe be sent into the right direction, the right path which is actually meant for you. So believe that there is a that there is this almighty or a power or whoever you believe in, and the focus is lacking on that aspect. Things will just start moving for you, people who've chosen this particular pile. And there is definitely a change which is there on the cards, a beautiful change that is waiting for you, a beautiful turn that your life might take, and that's what you've been waiting for. That is there on the cards, but you need to establish that spiritual connection, thank the almighty, and just be in an attitude of gratitude for whatever the almighty has given or not given. Be in an attitude of gratitude towards the almighty. Let's see what the moonology cards are guiding you, what blessings are coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 2. So at this point in time, the situation you are in, and if you just continue to be in this situation, the cards are saying nothing will come off this situation. You need to have the confidence in your uh, you know in the almighty, in the universe. You have to have that confidence. You cannot think that there is nothing like that. So firstly, that's what the cards are saying. And also, once you start doing that, your commitment towards your work, towards your relationship, anything that's stuck at the moment is definitely being tested. So you need to just tap into that spiritual aspect of your life, and definitely a new start is coming for people who've chosen this particular pile. A new start is coming. Prosperity lies ahead. That's what the mystic cards have said. Prosperity lies ahead. Release that negativity. When I started the reading, I saw a lot of pent up emotions, a lot of things which are just stuck inside you. They're not coming out. Release that negativity. Also, you and your loved ones, or any relationship that you are in which is suffering at the moment, is definitely getting protected by the universe. Everything will work out the best for you. You need to communicate with your person. You need to communicate what has really gone wrong. And even if you've betrayed, or if you've had that, if you've done some kind of a wrong deed, communicate, be apologetic. Things will move. And this situation, any situation that you are in this particular pile, it is gaining the momentum. You just need to do your bit, because like I said, things are stuck, but this is the time. You are going in the right direction. You will be getting whatever you desire, your dreams, or whatever you have on your plate. You are good enough for achieving all this all by yourself. But just what is lacking is the spiritual part. So connect, meditate, time to take action for your own self, and have faith in your dreams, have faith in the universe. The whatever this tough cycle has been, it's definitely ending for you, and you're moving towards a new start. Like the moonology cards have already said, the answers that you need are coming to you. Whatever you want is coming to you, but you need to be thankful, be in an attitude of gratitude, thank the universe, and accept these blessings with open arms that the universe is sending your way. Believe that something has been planned for you by the almighty, by the divine, and that will work for you. Whatever you are doing is definitely required of you, and the rest, the almighty will push, or the divine will push for you. You will be guided automatically after you've done your efforts. So that was for you, pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section, and please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Thank you so much. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. What blessings are coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 3. People who've chosen pile number 3, there has maybe in the past some kind of a struggle, but it's already over. Things have become balanced for you. You know this is the right thing, this is black, this is white. Also, I see contentment has already been there on the cards, or maybe for a lot of you, you're already in that phase wherein just things are just getting better for you. New beginnings are on the cards. Also, there is something, maybe because there is so much of achievement, there is a sense of perfection, there is a sense of satisfaction, things have been really working for you. So the focus has now been diverted. Maybe you want to expand, it could be on any front. Maybe your focus has been diverted, you're thinking of too many things at the same time, you're putting your feet in a lot of boats at the same time. Beware, this kind of an attitude will just make you fall. Think nothing will come off this kind of, unnecessarily you putting your feet. Please be focused, everything is working out for you. I see contentment on the cards, and again I'm repeating, it's already started for a lot of you. Whatever had to happen has already gone by. Now this is a beautiful time already which has started. So because this has started, you are becoming more and more complacent and trying to do this everything at the same time. So please do not do that. You will not achieve anything like this, and whatever you have also will come down with a thud. So firstly, focus, create one vision, create one goal, achieve that, and then move towards the second one, because the road to this kind of a haphazard thing is unknown, and it's definitely going to get make you stumble and make you fall and make you reach in a place which is not a beneficial one for you. Also in relationships, I see you meeting your person. I see you, either there's a reunion for a lot of you, or you're meeting a new person. The relationship is definitely blooming for the people who've chosen this particular pile. You are being sent in the right direction by the universe, so accept it. You're on the right path, and your goals, whatever you set for yourself, you will be able to achieve them. Like I said, you're putting too many things at the same time on your plate. You're very confused. You need to make this clear this confusion, and you need to broaden your horizon. But again, be very goal oriented, that okay, this is something which I can achieve in the first place, then this, then this. For people who are in relationships, and if you're confused or something has happened in the past, release the confusion, release that negativity that might be going on in your head. For anybody, for any person, that stress that you are facing because of somebody, leave everything. Things will just become absolutely normal, as if nothing happened in no time. Everything is set for you, everything is planned, so why take this kind of stress unnecessarily? And also, if things are moving at a slow pace, it's absolutely fine, as long as it's not disturbing you, as long as it's not troubling you. Slow pace is better than actually going rushing and having a fall in between. So I see you taking slow and steady steps. I see you going slow, which is absolutely fine. And whatever efforts you put in, you will see the results. Control is on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile, and the universe is blessing you with everything. It's a full package. I already see it has started for people who've chosen this pile, and whatever small things that are left will automatically start happening. And maximum time 4 months for people who've chosen this pile, but victory, success is on the cards on any front that you've chosen. And I'm again repeating, your efforts, your enthusiasm is showing, and you will achieve whatever you want through this enthusiasm. A new change, a new movement, again travel, shifting, new job, new career, marriage, everything is on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile. That wait is over, and you might feel that you've got little less than what you were expecting, or some of those thoughts, but please be thankful to the universe for giving you the best that you really deserved. And I'm again repeating, whatever small things that are left and have not been fulfilled at the moment, please still do not let this stress creep in. Be thankful, be in an attitude of contentment, because the cards are very promising, and you will get more and more with that feeling of being thankful. And don't surround yourself with these negative vibes that you're automatically creating unnecessary. It's you who is just creating this negativity. Everything is working well for you, everything is going the way it has to. People who've chosen this pile, when it comes to finances are going to be no problem. Things will be absolutely taken care of. You will be blessed, either some kind of unexpected fortune, or something out of the blue comes, or whatever you've been waiting for starts happening. Something or the other will work out for you through the cards. That's what the cards are telling me. And you don't have to worry about anything, people who've chosen this pile. But I'm again repeating that you yourself are creating this hole for yourself, and you're unnecessarily dwelling, unnecessarily stressing about something that you don't have, or some kind of a societal pressure, or some kind of a competition, anything that's on your mind. Please remove that. It's just creating a lot of negativity, and creating, it's, this happy feeling will just fade away, because the universe will also feel that whatever is happening in the positive, you're not focusing on that. You need to focus on what you have and what you're getting. And like I said in the beginning, please do not be putting your feet in too many things at the same time. Do not be so complacent. Be goal oriented, be vision oriented. There is love, peace, prosperity, good health, everything, money, finances, everything going for you, people who've chosen this particular pile. And also, it is a complete package for people who've chosen this pile. People who are in relationships, I'm again repeating, if some issue has taken place, don't be judgmental. Give your person, hear them out, give them the time, hear them out. You need to be more receptive to your person. You might have to involve a third person to help or intervene in between you both. Don't just let this relationship go off for your silly judgment or something. First, listen to your person, give them that space and time. Also, leave everything, rest to the universe, to the almighty. Everything is set for you. You've done your best and you are already getting the results. So just keep moving in the right direction. Balance is the key. Balance your practical life as well as your spiritual life. The universe itself will be putting you in this balancing act and giving you peace, prosperity, health, wealth, everything at the same time. Relationships will be beautiful. 24 days for a lot of you for things to start happening in the positive manner. For 2 months for some people, 4 months for some people. If people are trying to conceive, if women are trying to conceive, or you're married and are trying to plan a family, good news. 2 months you might hear some kind of good news. Relationships are here to stay for people who are chosen pile number 3. Trust your person, be open, give them that space to tell them exactly what is going on in their mind, or some kind of misunderstanding that's taken place. Listen to them, hear them out. Do not form your judgments on your own. Your person is the right person for you. Believe in them and rest. 3.5 weeks is the time for a lot of you to just go ahead in the unknown without really thinking of what the results will be, because everything is planned for you. Be childlike, do not take stress, be relaxed. Things are working for you. Try to connect to nature, try to take some time off, maybe a vacation or something, and ease yourself, comfort yourself. Don't let negative surroundings disturb you, because everything is working for you. Don't you yourself start focusing on the negative or something that you've not got and ruin the situation for you. It is a beautiful time approaching you, and whatever you do, the cards are definitely saying that you will be protected and supported by the universe that has been planned for you. And don't worry about what tomorrow holds for you. If you've thought of working, if you've thought of some new business, some career, some venture, anything, just go ahead, take the plunge. Don't worry about what will happen. And for people who are in relationships, don't worry about your person. Your person is here to stay. If you're planning to make that move, if you're confused whether you want to get married to the person or not, go ahead, believe in them, believe in your dreams, and they will be fulfilled by the universe itself. That's what the mystical wisdom cards are also confirming, and that's what the Art of Tarot deck has also confirmed. Don't be afraid to fly solo. Be self-reliant and just trust the universe. And this is exactly what the Art of Tarot deck has just confirmed, that just go ahead, take the plunge. Don't worry about what the others will say. Like I said, there's a lot of societal pressure or something on your mind. Don't worry about it. Just be alone. If you think you're right, if your intuition is telling you this is the right thing, just go ahead. Be focused. Don't be afraid, and believe in the Almighty, believe in the angel of miracles. Open your heart and expect miracles to happen for you. Pile number 3. It is a beautiful time that the universe is giving you. Blessings are on the cards for you. The angels are there to help you. So just do your bit, seek your knowledge, seek whatever you need to. Again, higher self, ask your higher self for the knowledge, ask your inner self for guidance, trust your intuition, move ahead. Everything is working best for you, and your deeds maybe have been really wonderful in the past, that the universe and the angels are bestowing you with these blessings and are giving you the keys to goodness, to the keys to heaven, to the heavenly virtues because of your own deeds. So believe in the trust your intuition. That's what the mystical wisdom cards are guiding you to do. So everything is just going hand in hand like a story for you. Opportunities are knocking at your door within the next 24 days. Grab them, go ahead with the belief that the universe is with you and everything is planned for you. These opportunities will not be coming every time. This is the time for you, pile number 3. So go ahead and take that plunge and set the stage for yourself and fly solo, even if it is required. Believe in your dreams, trust your intuition. Go ahead, and if you're again in your relationships or something, just go ahead. If you want to marry this person and your heart is telling you to do it, just go ahead, do it, work for it. Things will work very good for you on all fronts. Pile number 3, you are ready to just take on that new change in your life, that new chapter the universe is opening for you. So be ready with open arms and grab it without thinking of what tomorrow has in store for you, and without worrying about anything. Just go ahead and be happy. So that was for you, pile number 3. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Stay tuned to my channel. You could also leave in your feedbacks, requests for general readings. I'll be happy to do them for you. So thank you so much once again. I'll be coming back soon. Take care and stay safe.